Hi, thank you for tuning in to Unsung Stories for Children. Unsung Stories for Children has the Harriet Tubman story. That's me. Learn about the Underground Railroad in great detail through the world of animation on DVD. Let's take a quick look.
Miss Tubman, my foot's hurt. I can't go another step. Better yet, maybe I just go back to the plantation and nobody'll ever know I was gone.
Now, I done already told you, Mr. Douglas, the Mason-Dixon line is just another 7 miles or so. Now, either you come on here with us. I mean right now, Mr. Douglas, this gun I have here in my hand will make you free. One way or another, you will be free, Mr. Douglas. Oh, yes, it will.
You know, Miss Tubman, my footses feel better already.
Okay, Mr. Douglas, we almost there. No more horse playing. Them hounds be coming pretty soon. Better yet, Mr. Douglas, I want you to follow closest to me. I hope you enjoyed the clip. Please tune into my website, www.unsungstoriesforchildren.com, and pick up your DVD movie. Thank you.